Ever wondered how strawberries go from nursery tray to supermarket shelf?
The levels are optimal. We can tag this batch for shipment.
From tine plant to red berries, see the strawberry farm transform.
Sunrise picking. First strawberries of the day get harvested.
Greenhouse to field, selecting only the strongest strawberry plants for transplant.
Rain or shine, caring for strawberry plants never stops.
Harvest day hustle. Sorting strawberries by size and ripeness right at the field edge.
From farm to lab, quality testing fresh strawberry harvest.
Leave enough room for the air to circulate.
Okay, this one goes here.
Quality control gate. Inspecting strawberry crates before shipping out. From farm to export docks, paperwork behind every strawberry crate.
Cold storage warehouse arrival. Crates carefully stacked, temperature controlled.
Storefront reveal. Fresh strawberries under warm lights, ready for customers.
Wow. That is the freshest strawberry I've ever tasted.
Night farm patrol, checking strawberry plants under moonlight for pests and covering them.
Seasonal bloom, capturing strawberry flowers before fruit sets. From flower to berry, documenting every growing stage of strawberry.
Organic farming route tat, pesticide-free strawberries grown with compost and drip irrigation.
Research breakthrough. New strawberry cultivar. Sweeter and more durable for transport.
Field trial. Planting new strawberry variety for better yield.
Harvest under light rain, quick packing and cooling to keep strawberries fresh.
Sorting by hand versus machine. Which method preserves strawberry quality best? Cold chain break prevention, sensors, alarms, backup power in strawberry storage.
Custom fruit boxes, designing packaging optimized for strawberries.
Wow, strawberries. Yes, fresh from the farm.
Why top strawberries come from certain regions? Soil and climate matters.
Morning dew and flavor. Harvesting strawberries at dawn improves fruit quality.
Sorting station secrets. How to spot bruised or overripe strawberries before packing. Sanitation before packing. Cleaning crates, sanitizing gloves and tables.
From field workers to factory packers, meet the team behind every strawberry crate.
Display design in store, lighting and arrangement to make strawberries irresistible.
First customer of the day, unboxing fresh strawberry package at store entrance.
Traceability tech. QR code on each strawberry crate showing origin and harvest date.
Harvest season rush. Workers racing against time to pick strawberries at peak ripeness.
Flash cooling strawberries right after harvest to lock freshness.
Batch testing for pesticide residues Vallev, ensuring strawberry safety for export.
Hand-packed premium gift boxes. Strawberries for luxury markets.
Loading container at port. Strawberries ready to export globally.
Wow, that is incredibly fresh.
Sustainable farming, composting strawberry waste after harvest for soil reuse.
Mixed variety orchard, planting different strawberry cultivars to extend harvest season. Zero waste packing, recycled crates, and biodegradable trays for strawberries.
Heat map analytics of field, optimizing harvest timing by tracking sunlight and humidity.
Gentle handling matters. Avoid bruising strawberries by hand, placing into crates.
Pre-cooling tunnel, preparing strawberries for long-haul flights. Freshness seal. Each strawberry punnet stamped with harvest date and packed less than 24 hours.
We've been growing these berries here for generations.
We make sure only the best ones get packed.
Our customers absolutely love the fresh taste.
Spoilage tracking. How proper cold chain prevents strawberry loss and waste.
Packaging and labeling differ for domestic versus export strawberries. A dual label strategy.
Weather challenges. Protecting strawberry fields from heavy rain and storms.
Manual versus automated sorting. Evaluating speed versus quality in strawberry processing.
Field to a lab traceability plume, tagging sample baskets for quality audit.
Keep that pace up, looking good. Next crate ready for sealing.
Export crate loading, balancing weight, and ventilation for delicate strawberries.
Store display refresh of wheel. Removing older stock, replacing with freshly packed strawberries.
From strawberry to jam. What happens to imperfect berries?
Eco-friendly field, drip irrigation and compost use to conserve water and soil in strawberry farms. Seed to sapling, how strawberry starts in nursery trays before field transplant.
Pruning and weeding, preparing strawberry beds for optimal fruit growth.
Pest control, releasing beneficial insects to protect strawberries naturally.
Harvest baskets cleaned and sanitized between picks for strawberry hygiene.
Sorting by weight and sugar content. Lab-backed selection for premium strawberry grade.
Luxury export. Packing strawberries in premium clamshell and gift boxes for high-end markets.
Load balancing. Crates strapped down for stable transport of strawberry shipments. Temperature logging 12. Real-time tracking via IoT tags on strawberry crates.
Seals match the manifest. Everything looks good.
Confirmed. Approved for release.
Okay, missed again, right side? Got it. Perfect.
Frank and sweet. The texture is perfect, crisp yet tender.
From the farm, our strawberries travel by transport to the port, across the ocean to the warehouse, and finally to your
Post-harvest washing line. Gently cleaning strawberries to remove dust and residues.
Sorting by color gradient, from light red to deep red strawberries for premium selection.
handcrafted crates with farm logo, branding strawberries for export. Inventory audit crane, daily scanning and logging of strawberry crates in warehouse system.
Transport over bumpy road stone. Crates strapped securely to keep strawberries intact.
Eco-label certification. Why organic strawberry seal matters for export.
Seasonal kickoff. First official Strawberry Harvest Festival at farm.
Fruit by fruit inspection, manual QC before packing, premium grade strawberries.
Logistics planning, overlay of calendar, and optimized routes to preserve strawberry freshness.
Shelf life test, tracking freshness over days for refrigerated strawberries.
The freshest strawberries right here. Only $8 a box tonight. Get yours now before they're gone.
Challenge: transporting strawberries in tropical heat, packing. Refrigerated trucks versus open-air vans. Designing export packaging, balancing ventilation and protection for delicate strawberries.
Strawberry sizer machine, automatic measuring and sorting fruit by size and weight.
Reject bin, where imperfect strawberries go for jam or juice processing.
Juice and Jam Factory side story, turning surplus strawberries into value-added products. This seasonal yield comparison shows the dramatic difference between the old field and the new plantation, yielding 3 times the harvest.
Look at this huge one I found.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, getting close for the selfie.
Say cheese!
Crop rotation and soil care, preparing field for next strawberry season.
They made it all the way here perfectly. The smell is incredible. Absolutely delicious.
Processing audit, ensuring compliance with food safety standards for strawberries.
Digital farm records. Each strawberry batch tracked via QR or barcode from seed to sale.
We guarantee the freshness upon arrival.
Excellent. We are satisfied with the inspection.
Then let us finalize the agreement.
Worker safety and hygiene, gloves, masks, clean uniforms during strawberry processing.
Sorting for export grades A, B, C. Clear labeling and separation for strawberries.
Eco-friendly waste disposal, composting leftover leaves and unpicked strawberries.
Here you go, enjoy.
These are the best I've had all season.
I definitely need a punnet of these.
Nighttime cold storage check. Ensure strawberry crates stable and temperature remains constant.
Supply chain transparency. Show every step of strawberry journey to build trust.
Research room, testing soil and water quality to improve strawberry yield and taste. Final fruit inspection Trinzi. Only perfect strawberries get labeled Premium Export.
This isn't just fruit. It's the culmination of research, hard work, and a global supply chain delivering freshness to you.
Global shipping contrast. Tropical strawberry farm to refrigerated supermarket shelves abroad.
Labeling for export regulations, nutritional info, origin, packing, and expiry date on strawberry boxes.
Post-harvest care behind. Humidity tents to maintain strawberry freshness after picking.
Handle the berries gently to avoid bruising. Place them softly into the punnets like this.
Batch tracking. Each crate tagged with harvest date and field block ID for traceability. Sunrise to supermarket lighting. Capturing strawberries under different light conditions.
Quality by weight competition. Who picks the most perfect strawberries this morning?
Biosecurity protocols front. Boot dip and glove change before entering strawberry fields.
Wow, this is incredibly juicy and sweet.
The texture on this one is much softer, and it's just not as flavorful.
We face many challenges with the weather and the labor, but our love for this land, it gives us the strength to continue.
We're moving fast today, almost done with this row.
Good, I'm ready for lunch.
Don't drop that crate, it looks heavy.
Daily farm log, tracking weather, watering, growth data of strawberry plants.
Day 0 planting. Day X harvest. Day X +1 packing. Day X +2 store shelf.
Export crate drop test. Ensure strawberry packaging survives handling and transport. Interactive QR experience. Buyer scans crate QR to watch full strawberry farm-to-the-shelf journey. End-of-season harvest. Last strawberries picked before field rests.
The lab results confirm the need for the adjusted water and fertilizer schedule.
And the berry quality improved significantly.
Night harvest under headlamps a lamp for early morning market deliveries.
Packaging innovation. Recyclable mesh trays instead of plastic. Eco-friendly strawberry export.
We love its sweetness and freshness.
Quality certified Allure. Every strawberry crate stamped with origin and freshness guarantee.
From dusty soil to glossy supermarket shelf. Right. Full strawberry journey visualized.
Why strawberries matter.